Hello everyone, this is Bryant. You're going to learn about Deno in this video series. In the part 3 of the series, you're going to learn how permissions are handled in Deno. Be sure to like my video and subscribe to my channel. So without further ado, let's get started. Permission in Deno. Deno is secure by default. Therefore, unless you specifically enable it, a Deno module has no file, network, or environment access, for example. Access to security-sensitive areas or functions require the use of permissions to be granted to a Deno process on the command line. Here are some examples of permission list options you can give. You can allow all permissions. You can allow environment access for things like getting and setting environment variables. You can allow HR time, high resolution time measurement, etc. etc. You can also give access for networking access, and there's a different file reading options and sub-process and system write access. And then this is all the options you can explore and furthermore. Permissions allow list. Deno allows to control the granularity of some permission with the allow list. We're gonna see an example where we wanna read the one file with the command we are executing, but that file is not allowed to read by default. So you have to specifically allow that file access by providing from the command line, so we can read the file and then our TypeScript can read the file and print out the result. So let's go see how we can do that. So here's our command line interface. You have one file called the cat.ts, which basically just read the file and then print out the file content. So this is a file we're gonna use to read the file. So we're gonna type in command deno learn and then allow read, but we are not gonna actually provide the path that we want to have with the file that we want to read. Instead, this is somewhere different. So now when we execute that, we're going to get an error because that file is not the one that we can read. So also Deno protect the file system by default. So to fix that, we have to specifically specify where our file that we want to read is. In this case is /etc. So now execute the same command, but now we're able to see the result, and because we specifically allow that /etc directory to be allowed. Now let's see how we can apply the similar concept for the network access. Here's our command line. We have one sample file called fetch.ts, which basically does nothing but trying to call the URL deno.land and trying to fetch that. Simple enough. So now if we do this deno learn and then the file name, we'll get an error because by default Deno doesn't let you connect or access any external URL. So to fix that, we provided one option called allow -net and specifically provide what we can kind of whitelist. So in this case, for example, we can say deno.land, github.com, etc. etc. So we can only access those two URL and nothing else. So now if you wanted to say allow everything, what we can do is we can just do deno and allow .net, allow -net, that will allow any network. That's it. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like my video and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget. And hopefully we can see you again next time. Bye bye.